Okay, me and Talia Rodriguez. Introduce yourself. Stop eating them Tito's. I call them Tito's. See, Tito's. Hurry up. See, we're gonna have a burping contest with these awesome Perpsies. Tito's and Perpsies. Tito's and Perpsies. She'd stop stuffing her face. Maybe we could get on with the competition.
I'm hungry. I haven't ate all day. What happened?
I gotta practice. Yeah, really, you haven't? When you ate my lunch and then you ate your own lunch?
Part of life. I'm gonna be famous because I'm on YouTube. But yeah, what you gonna do? Yeah. Gotta work it, girl. Can we just go on? It's kind of awkward for me.
Well, yeah, y'all gotta vote to see who wins. Stop eating the food. Eat one more and see what happens. I'll get that stick out on you, my horse stick. Right there. It's a big whip. For the horse.
Hey!
What a hogatha. Come on, hurry up.
I'm ready.
Okay, your turn. You go first.
I have to burp it out?
Yeah. You gotta burp.
I can't.
You gotta burp as loud as you can and the people on here will pick who wins.
You don't even have no YouTubers.
Whoever watches this gets to pick who wins. Burn, baby, burn.
I have more. You look stupid.
Shut up.
Mm-hmm.
She thinks it's mouthwash.
That's a lie. What? Why someone on here like Joy Rogers gonna see me? I know her whole name. That's sad. You know why? Toy Lynn Rogers, Autumn Drew Curtin, Brandy, Bay McGatt, right? Jennifer Jasmine Rios.
Go.
That was not me. Just had my mouth open.
That was me. I claimed my own mouth farts.
It's like coming out. Hold on. Okay, so you can do this. I'm not twerking now. Stop!
Ooh.
Hold on.
While she's doing her constipation dance.
Really? Hold on, but come out. Hold on, it's not. Hold on. Come on. No, Daddy! Stop stealing my junk. What are you doing?
My pimple. I just scratched the pimple. Guys, if you cannot see, that's right there. Yeah.
Quit showing me. Look at your ugly face. You look so ugly.
Guys, when people say this to me, my anger comes out. Don't throw it back. Don't throw it back. You call me ugly.
I didn't call you ugly. I just said
Your ugly face.
Yeah, that doesn't mean you're ugly in my book.
A, B,
C.
E, F.
Dad, you can do better than me.
H. H. I. Yay. K. L.
You're so stupid.
M. N.
Oh, we missed a couple of words. K.
I already did that.
O, P, wait, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Yeah, you missed J. No. K, L, N, O, P.
I said that. Okay.
U R S D
You said D, not no T.
W X Y and
You messed up.
Z. Next.
Shut up! Shut up! Turn in a corner.
X. Next. The time. Watch you sing with me.
Yep. If you want a burping challenge, subscribe, make your own video, tag me. Yep, and I'll judge you and your friend. Because I am the burping expert. Because as you can see, the little twerp over here can't even get one out. It's a twerp.
Oh. They said to.
Goodbye.
Hey.
Good. Bye. Good. Good. Riddance.
Okay, bye.